Hi, I'm Dr. Heidi. I am so excited to be published in EcoParent Magazine's Summer edition. I am so grateful to be featured on the cover and have a selection of my favorite recipes from my past 10 years of writing and recipe creations included in this anniversary issue. I've cooked for backcountry lodges, retreat centers, adventure trips, and the movie industry. And I've been a naturopathic doctor for the past 20 years. In my clinical training and my practice, these have all reinforced my passion for investing time and energy into making nutritious meals. Food is potent medicine. It also has the transformative power to delight and to affect change on so many levels. From our cells to the Earth's ecological systems, food has impact. So whether you're a parent, a foodie, or just naturally interested in tasty, healthy food, I invite you to check out the magazine cookbook. You can purchase a digital copy of it on my website, HeidiLescanec.com, or you can get a hard copy at my Vancouver clinic. I look forward to meeting with you and maybe sharing some kitchen time soon.